All right. Welcome to Pike's Market in Seattle, Washington. We're at the Market Grill, home of the best clam chowder in the world. At least that's our opinion. Crinkle, crinkle on the plastic bag for a second. Oh. You gotta have those crackers in there. So, it's Tony, Travels with Tony. I'm here with my son, Keivan, who you see. He's on this camera too, so. We've got all the angles covered. And this is our favorite right here. This is what we do.
So good, thank you.
Thanks. You know? So, great chowder. They also have a grill over here where they're doing halibut sandwiches and rock cod and I'm guessing salmon.
The halibut sandwich is so good. I really wanted to do it, but the chowder reigns the true best.
You have to do the chowder when you're here.
That's
I mean,
best.
absolutely.
But the bread is really good.
There we go. So we're gonna dive in.
I'm curious to see if you think it tastes the same.
Oh, I know it's really, really hot. That's the one thing. Oh yeah, that's actually really good.
Yeah.
A little thicker than I remember, but the taste is spot on. So just loving it. I actually don't see halibut on the menu. I see salmon, blackened salmon, and I see chicken and portobello and rock cod. Oh, halibut is crossed off.
Oh, maybe they're just out.
It's crossed off, so they're probably just out for now. Yeah. So we started coming here in late 2004, early 2005, and basically came really pretty often, right? Pretty often until 2018. Early 2018 was probably the last time I was here. How's the bread?
It's really good.
Is it?
It still has that nice crispy char from the barbecue.
Gotta love it. Yeah. So spending the morning walking around filming here in the market. It's Monday. It's raining. It's January. It's pretty empty. I mean, you can actually walk without running people over or getting run over.
Yep. Monday, Tuesday morning is the time to go to the market. You want to have a nice, no wait, no big crowd.
I know, there's nobody else sitting here. I remember always having to wait to get a seat. Sometimes you just end up taking it with you and walking around. Afterwards, we're going to go over to Beechers and do kind of the same thing. But yeah, there used to be a guy here named Mark. Fantastic guy. I mean, great at cooking. What was the other guy's name? Shane?
I think so, yeah.
I think it was Shane and Mark. And they had this place running like a well-oiled machine. And these ladies, Jackie and I'm not sure what the other one's name is, doing the same. So it's so cool to come back after a while.
Still the same vibes.
I came in May.
Oh, yeah.
And it was so busy, there were people waiting like 3 deep. Yeah, once you get into cruise ship season, no chance. You know, so, I mean, not no chance, but you're gonna wait. That's so good.
So good.
And it's cold today, and it's raining today, so perfect. Yeah, so. And this is Seattle, not an umbrella in sight. Are we gonna rip umbrella people? I don't know if we should.
Everyone has their choice if they want to wear an umbrella or not.
Yeah, but
the locals will give you a weird
Mariner's
look.
hat,
I brought an umbrella today.
rainproof jacket. Hopefully the mic is rainproof too, if we walk around later. No, it's really fun. Oh yeah, water. Beechers is getting remodeled, the whole building.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was boarded up first. I went over and they're like, oh shit, they're gone. But they're not. They're open in the left side of the building, and the right side of the building is getting a full makeover.
That'll be cool.
It's a little bit of a shame because I was hoping to film a little bit of the cheese making. More crackers. Yeah, so the top was a little thick, but now getting down into it is better.
Yeah.
I think maybe they just took right off the top, you know? That's so good.
It just hits the spot on a full day.
Unbelievable.
And there's another chowder place that's across the way.
Is it that Pike?
Typically has really long lines, and they're really popular. But
Pike Market
I
Chowder
actually
or
prefer this
Pike Place?
chowder more.
Yeah. No, this is the best I've ever had. And I used to live up in New England, like Rhode Island, Massachusetts for a while. And they had some serious chowder up there. I mean, this is New England clam chowder versus Manhattan clam chowder, which is a red sauce, right? So, it's really, really good. And I saw up in Pacific Place where Din Tai Fung is, there's a Pike Place Market or Pike Market Chowder up there too. And that seems to be a chain. And I thought maybe they bought them out and did something, but
Separate.
it's separate. Because this is still called Market Grill
Yeah.
since 1996. MarketGrillSeattle.com.
I think
So,
this is their only location.
right? But you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram and on the web at MarketGrillSeattle.com. I'm looking up there, I can see. Oh, they even have a poke bowl now. They have a sushi grade yellowfin tuna with soy, sesame, ginger, pickled red onions on brown rice and slaw. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. You were always a big poke fan, right?
Oh yeah.
This place is just loaded with memories for us of restaurants and stuff that we used to go to that don't exist anymore.
Yep.
Nijo, down the alley. I came up Bubblegum Alley before. Took some video of that. So my other video from this visit will be a whole walkthrough of the market, so don't miss that. No, but yeah, Nijo down Post Alley was our go-to sushi place for what, 15 years?
So good. I missed it.
Well, yeah, mom's not happy she missed this, but she's got a friend coming over and they're going out to Indian food, to that Maharaja in West Seattle.
What time does she come home?
I think she'll be
Bring
back.
her a cup to go.
It'll be kind of cold by then.
And reheat it.
Maybe.
She likes it.
Yeah.
I think I was about this tall.
Yes. Yeah. We used to like have almost an hour wait for the ferry,
Yep.
and we'd duck in here. We almost hoped to miss the ferry sometimes, so that we could either go to Nijo or come up here for chowder.
Yep.
So, yeah, the bread's really fantastic.
Just like it used to be.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
I've taken Seattle locals here that never knew about this place. And
No
they
way.
lived here their whole life.
Wow.
The name of the place is Chowder in it, so not everyone knows.
Right.
To come here for
It's
the
just called
chowder.
Market Grill. And that's because it is a big grill. And, you know, I'm going to try to get a little bit of them doing the, oh, they're just doing more of the bread. They got that going there. And there we go. So, and of course, got my Mariner's hat. It's the only thing you need for the rain. Yeah, it is still raining a bit out there, isn't it? Not too bad though. Some really good potato chunks and clam chunks. Let's see if we can show it over here too. It's just easier for me to look at this camera. There we go. Awesome chowder.
I should have gotten a small, but I'm demolishing mine.
Oh, I thought you did get a small.
I got
Is that
a medium.
is that a medium? Uh-huh. Okay.
Look,
You're crushing it.
it's good. Just like I remembered.
Mm-hmm. And that's always nice to come back. Like for me, it's been 6 years, pretty much to the day. And it's nice to come back and eat something that tastes exactly the same.
Yeah.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yep.
Especially with food. No, that's really good. Anyway, we're gonna finish up here. Thanks to Keivan for coming in and joining me for this little walk down Amnesia Lane, and you know, for some great chowder. And we'll see you again over at Beecher's Cheese in a little while. Bye bye.